Example 63. Is the Poisson PMF valid? First, what is the Poisson probability mass function? The Poisson probability mass function is this, and y values goes from 0 to infinity. How do we check if it is valid probability mass function? You know Poisson is discrete and y goes from 0 to infinity. So mass function is lambda y a negative lambda divided by y factorial. So we need to check if this sum is 1, right? If this is equal to 1, then we can say it is legitimate or valid PMF. Okay, E negative lambda is constant. You can pull it out. So you have now y goes from 0 to infinity. Lambda y over factorial y. So what is this part? I explained this in the previous video. So this is a Maclaurin series of E lambda. Okay, that is the Maclaurin series expansion of E lambda. So you can write E negative lambda times E lambda. So you know this is 1. Therefore we can say yes, this PMF is valid, right? Now example 64. First try by yourself, then come back to my video. Right. In a certain region in the northeast US, the number of severe weather events per year y is assumed to have a Poisson distribution with mean lambda equal 1.5. Okay, it say y has a Poisson distribution, so we can write down Poisson lambda equal 1.5. What is the probability there are 4 or more severe weather events in a given year? 4 or more. That means probability y greater than equal 4, right? So if you find the probability using this, you have to find y equal 4, y equal 5 up to y equal infinity, where this goes from 0 to infinity. You know, I explained just before. But it is impossible, right? Therefore, we can write probability p y less than equal 4. Is it right? Do you think this is right? No, this is not the correct expression here. Why? Because this is discrete. Therefore, you cannot put less than or equal. It should be just less than 4. Okay. Therefore, you can write y less than equal 3. Then you know we can write this probability y equals 0 plus probability y equal 1 plus probability y equal 2 and probability y equal 3. Okay, so now we need to apply the PMF for each case here. Y as an example, for this one 1.5 power 0 e negative 1.5 divided by factorial 0, that is a PMF with lambda equal 1.5, right? So similarly 1.5 1 e negative 1.5 and factorial 1. So you can write down for other two cases, right? So then I write down the answer here 0.9, sorry, this one 1 minus 0.935, therefore answer is 0.065.